Hello everyone, I'm Pooja and welcome to my channel Blushbook. If you're someone new to my channel, then a short intro about me. I make videos on beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle. Someone who is following me on Instagram might be knowing I keep sharing beauty tips here and there. But one major important thing which I thought I must be sharing with you people is about face wash, which is also one of the important thing which you should add in your daily routine. Today I have Sirona face wash with me, and to know my entire experience with this face wash, please watch the video till the end. So first coming to the price and packaging, it came in a hardboard kind of a package, and if you open it, the face wash looks like this. It retails at 375 rupees. If you buy it from Amazon, Flipkart or Nykaa, you're probably going to get it at 300 rupees. Now coming to the scent of this product, it has a hint of mint. I mean, what I mean by this is the smell is kind of a mixture of mint and the flavors which are added in this product. Scent of a product, it's very important factor for me, especially when it's a body care product or it's a hair care product. But when it's a product for the face, I prefer products with minimum scent, because the lesser the scent or the perfume content in the product, the more natural the product is. Perfume is not going to be good for your skin because the skin has extremely sensitive type of cells in it. So I have a very sensitive skin and very dry skin, and this has caused no harm to my skin till now. Now coming to the color and consistency, this, as you can see, is in brownish kind of a color, and if I show you the consistency, this is going to be the consistency of the product. So it lathers very well. Now coming to the ingredients of the products, it consists of some of the exotic ingredients such as Tasmanian superfood leaf extracts, which is having a very good antioxidant properties. Then the Rhodiola, Rosea root extracts, which is again a super anti-aging extract which will reduce fine lines from your skin and wrinkles, and thus will give you a young and healthy glowing skin. Then comes the apricot seed powder in this. Now apricot is a very good scrub. If you have that in your body scrub or something, this is going to exfoliate your skin perfectly. The next ingredients is mint oil. Now mint oil is something which has vitamin A in it, and vitamin A is very good to for those people who have oily skin type, because it controls the secretion of oil and hence makes your skin, acne free, and it reduces redness of the skin as well. The next is beetroot extracts. Now beetroot extracts is again a very good source of antioxidants. Then mentha oil, which contains again antiseptic properties. The final one which you have is coconut oil extracts. Now coconut oil is again very good for your skin because it's not going to make your skin completely dry after washing your face. So you just have to take a small quantity of the face wash. You need not take so much of face wash, and you just scrub gently. And one tip about washing your face is that you should just massage your face at least for a minimum of 3 minutes every day, so that it keeps your skin healthy and blood circulation of the skin is good. So I would suggest you people to give a try to this product, and thank you for watching the video till the end. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. You can also follow me on my social media. I have left all the links in the description. Bye. Until then, bye bye. See you again.